Is the National Commission for Women able to strategize and tackle the problems that women face at both public and private spheres? Give reasons in support of your answer. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The National Commission for Women, NCW, is a statutory body established in India in 1992 to protect and promote women's interests. It plays a crucial role in addressing the challenges women face in both public and private spheres. However, there is ongoing debate about the effectiveness of the NCW in tackling these issues. Body. Strengths of the NCW, legal awareness and support. The NCW provides legal aid and guidance to women facing violence, harassment, or discrimination. It also promotes laws protecting women, such as the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act and the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act. Policy recommendations. The NCW recommends changes to laws to better address women's issues, such as amendments to the Dowry Prohibition Act and advocating for gender-sensitive policies across various sectors. Research and advocacy. The NCW conducts research to understand women's issues and uses this data to push for policy changes and public awareness campaigns on gender equality. Capacity building and training. The NCW organizes workshops and training programs to empower stakeholders like law enforcement and NGOs to effectively address women's issues. Challenges faced by the NCW. Limited powers. The NCW cannot enforce its recommendations or penalize offenders. Its powers are limited to investigation, mediation, and providing recommendations, which can hinder effective action. Resource constraints. The NCW often faces inadequate funding and staffing, limiting its ability to address the various problems women encounter. Regional disparities. The effectiveness of the NCW varies across states due to differences in governance, culture, and the presence of state commissions for women. Inadequate implementation. The implementation of recommended laws and policies is often obstructed by societal attitudes, lack of awareness, and bureaucratic challenges. Conclusion. To enhance the effectiveness of the NCW, there is a need for greater political will, increased resources, and stronger collaboration among the NCW, state commissions for women, and other stakeholders.